Hey there, Michelle. So I actually thought it might be easier if I made you a quick video to show you some of the things you were asking about rather than trying to type it in. And I'll just start by saying that I haven't actually done much with groups in the discussion area so far. I'm just learning about these tools, and so I haven't actually used it, but I hope to use it this semester. And so I can get you started here and show you some things. And then if you have questions that are more technical about how to set it up, I would suggest reaching out to the Instructional Design Center. So somebody like George Hines or William Tankovich to kind of help you dig into the details a little bit more. But I'm going to start by actually going into D2L because the first thing I wanted to show you, in case you're not aware, are some online resources for how to create groups. And so I'm going to go to the Instructor Resources drop down, click on the Virtual Instructional Design Center, go into D2L Instructor Tutorials, and then under the content area, you will see that if you look at all the modules down here, you'll see one that actually says groups. And the one that I thought would probably be the most useful was setting up single user member specific groups. So if you click on that Word document, it'll walk you through some steps for how to actually go into your class and put students manually into groups. And there's all kinds of ways you can set this up. You can have multiple different groups and students can self-select which group they're supposed to be using at which time. Or you could just put students in one set of groups and keep that set of groups all semester long. But that would be, I think, a first step to creating groups in your class. And then the tool that I was talking about in my session, I will show you what that looks like. So this is, let's see, this is my class that just started. And if I go to my discussions, and let's say that I wanted to, I hadn't set it up this way, so I would need to edit it. So I'm going to click on Edit Topic. And what you'll see is this new little prompt here, or option, I should say, Group or Section Topic. Everyone can access this topic, but students only see threads from their own group or section. So once you've created your groups using that tutorial information that I just showed you in the D2L tutorials page, then I think you can click that option and it's going to ask you if you want, are you sure you want to make that change? I'm going to click no because I'm not actually doing it here. But I believe that what this option does is it allows you to, it allows you as the teacher to just see one conversation with everything included. But again, the students only see the participation pieces that are coming from their group members. And so I think it could be a fun option to play around with in class and try and see how you like it, see how students like it. D2L is always adding new things, so I can rarely keep up with everything that they build in each semester. But like I said, I had just learned about this option, so I wanted to mention it to everybody, but really you'd probably want to talk with one of the D2L guru folks. I will point you in the direction of another resource. So on the homepage here in D2L, you'll notice that at least for the next few days, there are tech mentor sessions. And I'm guessing some of these folks might have a better idea of how to set up those groups than I would. And then I also think that okay, so here's the self-paced resources and here's the IDC. So if you want someone to help walk you through some of that group stuff, you can click on this IDC at frontrange.edu and you can get one of the D2L experts to help you out with that. So hopefully this gets you started, Michelle. I do want to just say that I think the way you're doing it is really clever and it's awesome if it works. So I don't know that you need to change anything, but it's always great to know what your options are. So thanks so much.